Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to put back together the wooden puzzle. It's a cube, rounded edges. If you don't know how to take it apart, fast forward to the end of the video where I will show you. But to take it apart, I'm going to show you first how to put it back together. These are all the pieces. You see the two big pieces, the two bridges with white pillars, the bridges with white pillars but a notch. You see the bridges with some sort of 3 pillars. Two identical ones. You see here two bridges with identical small pillars, a bridge with uneven pillars, and one last piece with a little notch. Now let me show you how to put this back together. I'm going to put the little piece with the notch on the sides together with one of these. We'll need those later. Now you need to start with the two big pieces and the small bridges. And you just put the bridges on there. Okay. Should fit quite snugly. The difficult part here is taking these in one hand, 2 hands, 3 hands if you have someone to help you. Likewise, because we need to put another piece here. We're going to need to put these pieces somewhere in here. We start with this one. I'll show you like this. And you put it in here. Okay. We have another piece. Should go in the other side. So I'm going to gently turn around the cube and put this in here. Okay. Takes a bit of fiddling, but you'll get there in the end. Okay, that's what it looks from above. That's what it looks from here. Next, we need one of these, and we're going to put it like this in here. All right. Now, if you look from above, you will see here you have a smaller opening and here you have a bigger opening. That's where we need the bridge with the uneven pillars. And it goes in like this. Now here, it takes a bit of wriggling around so the wooden pieces fit well. It's not always easy to do, I can tell you. Okay, we have this. Now the middle pieces go up and down. That is important because we need to fit in these two. Like so. Then you turn this down, you push it down, you turn the cube, and you put this piece in here. Now again, it takes a little bit of twiddling around, especially if the puzzle is new, and you fit it into place, you see, like this. This leaves you with an opening here, here and here. Now that is where the last two pieces come in. The piece with the notch and this piece. You just put them together like this. A kind of, no, not like this. Sorry. Like, no, not like this. This is a hammer. Like this. Like some sort of uneven hammer. And this hammer should fit in here. There you go. Wooden puzzle, rounded cube. Now, if you don't know how to take it apart, I'll show you quickly how to do it. You need to push on the middle, and where one of the pieces moves, that is where you can push it open. So it takes out here. You push this piece, and this comes out. There. You wriggle the other pieces a little bit, especially the ones in the middle, and you will see that other pieces will be able to come out, like this one there. You fiddle a bit more, there comes another one, and you can see the puzzle just falls apart. Now if you want to put it back together again, it's up to you. You might need to wind back the video and have another look, but I'm sure that you can do it. Goodbye.